Alright, people. Rock and roll. 10, 10, 10, 10. I love this. Amazing. Where are you from? Ireland. Welcome to Thailand. Careful, huh? Don't step in the color green. That is algae. Oh my God. Oh, amazing. Careful. Chit 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 chit. Hello, you fight? No. Hey people, say hi. Chance. Shout out from the Philippines. Yeah. The power of Netherlands. Ireland. Don't want to die in Thailand. Let's die in our country, not here.
Master, oh my God.
Wait. I need to change my direction.
Okay, Paul, Christian. You go back.
I video, you go back.
You go back.
Okay, go back. Can you hold? Right, people. We now here in the top of the mountain, the highest a mountain in Thailand. Doi. Ano ba ito?
Doi of Dai.
Doi Intanon.
Ay, ito na napanood. Ano, ikanta dyan.
Negative. Hindi pala. Ilang degrees?
45 degrees.
2 degree po dito. Sobrang lamig. So, wala pong ulan pero yung dahil sa hamog. Kala mo nag-aulan na. So, ayan. Dito po tayo. Malamig pa to sa aircon ng hotel. Wow. Look at that. So, ano masasabi nyo sa Doi Tantanon?
Doi Tantanon?
Hoy, kaya. Ito, ano masasabi mo? Ayan na. Sa Badya.
Akala ko may pinakatapos.
Let's go.